I'm here for a company called Screen Interaction, or my co-workers have formed a team, and we have created this concept called Carrot. And our challenge is to get people moving, or to get kids moving, is the main challenge. But since many people find it hard to motivate themselves, to find incentives and joy in exercising, we're getting fatter. A third of American children are obese today, and since the parents are passing this bad behavior down, this is gonna continue to spiral down in generation to generation, and it's really hard to convince a kid to get off your butt, get out and play if you don't do it yourself. So it's a family problem, and we think that everyone needs to get involved to solve this. So we have created something fun and based this on what gets measured gets managed. So we're using traditional trackers, apps, Runkeeper or Fitbit to gather information from the entire family and visualize this in a way that kids understand and that they can gain motivation and have fun doing it. But they also need something else. Carrots. Things they care about, things they have on their wish list, and things that we can connect to their physical activity. So the Carrot is an app that makes family health a collaborative journey, and it does this by visualizing goals and progress in adventurous ways on fun maps. And we do this by carrots. That's real-world incentives visualized digitally and managed by the system that the kid actually receives the reward in the end. Works something like this. You connect to Facebook. Everyone is on Facebook right now anyway. And you just use your existing tracker and connect that to the system. And the data gets gathered and visualized in daily journeys. So here, the entire family is going to Disney World. And you can see that today we reached 7% of the goal. And we can track each person and see what they did and gain some feedback and receive achievements. We have a short demo. I'm not sure we're gonna have time, so thank you, and remember that no matter the goal, Carrot can make it a moving story how you got there.
Thank you. Any questions or comments from the jury?
So, what shape are you in right now?
If you want to see the demo, no, but we have a quite clear concept, and we have the backend running, but we try to use the new Moves API, the iPhone app, but ran into some problems late this night, so we don't have any actual real data, but we're really psyched about the idea, and we are a team of 5 people, so I think we can roll this out quite quickly if we just get the time.
Thank you.
So, a comment on the Moves app. I used it before, but it ate my battery, so I took it away. So maybe you should look at something else.
To respond, that you can use whatever system you like. There are open APIs for Runkeeper, for Fitbit, for whatever.
I love the name, the clarity of the logo, and it sort of the name could make it travel just because people understand what it is. It's like we have a company called The World of Horsecraft, and it's a girls' game for horses. People get that when they hear the name. So I think that's a very strong point. Could you elaborate on the family angle? Why wouldn't this be everybody at work, or is the family context important, and how do you sort of make a stronger point out of that? What is the experience if I do it with my kid sister or?
The experience is basically entire family health, and not just the kids, not just the parents, because parents are tracking their activity by their wrist or something else. But this creates something that the family can connect around, and we can create a common goal to we go to see the movies if we manage to get this goal, or something to gather around in the evening to see what happened during the day, and perhaps make a discussion point that's not just connected to the TV or something.
Yes, but couldn't it be a bunch of friends doing it?
Of course.
Or is it specifically family oriented? Because that could be a unique selling point, but then you need to build in a lot more family related stuff into it. Or
Just to make the concept clear, now it's family related to stand out, to make the point clear.
Mm.
Of course, the same game mechanisms can be used for any group, basically.
I was just curious if you've tried any of these ideas in the sense that you believe doing this interface, doing these carrots, will help motivate families to do more. And I was just wondering if long before you actually make an app that works, have you found ways to simply try the ideas out?
No, but that's the next part mentally for us. We're interaction designers, most of us, so real people, real kids, real parents, and real data to make this, and to boil this down. The final product might look entirely different.
Yes, I love the idea in general, and of course the need is great, but I would urge you to do that as product developers of anything. The cheapest way you can find to test whether the idea itself will work or not is the place to start, and get to the coding, the design, and all the rest of it after you've actually already figured out that the thing will work. And so you can easily, I imagine, try this thing out with paper and paper rewards, and then see if it really makes a difference to the families.
Yeah, thank you.